Hi guys and welcome. My Glossybox is here. I absolutely love the look of this box. But before we dive into this, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you love all things beauty like our YouTube family does, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join us. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got the kettle on, you've pulled up a chair, and let's go. Like I said, Glossybox is here. This is just really cool, and the theme for this month is Perfectly Imperfect. I love it. This one's going on the shelf. It's very colourful. If you're unfamiliar with Glossybox, they are a monthly beauty subscription service. I find them a bit hit and miss, to be honest, but I will link all the details down below on how much I pay and a link to their website if you want to go and check it out. No, this video isn't sponsored, but let's just dive into this box. Perfectly Imperfect, which is cool. Everybody is perfectly imperfect, and that's what makes us beautiful. Oh, look at this. You can see, yes, there's my pyjamas. I'm in my comfies today. So yeah, we've got a mirror in here that says you are beautiful in several different languages. French, I think I can see German. Yeah, that looks really cool. I do like that. And from what I can see as well on the top, we got some stickers. I like that. For every rainy day there is a rainbow, and then we got Glossybox. Do what makes you happy. You are enough. Self-love, most definitely. That is really, really cool. I like that. They've stepped it up this month, I think, with the box. I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek of next month's product. They're online again. I do prefer a magazine because I do like having something in my hands. But yeah, I've already pre-scanned. So if you don't want to know what a sneaky peek of one of next month's product is, close your eyes now. And there we go. I'm hoping you can see that okay. So there it goes. Yeah, I'm a bit bummed out about this one because we do get quite a few of these products. You can open your eyes now. Yeah, we get tons of them, so I'm a bit bummed out after everything they could have popped in. This month the colour has changed. Usually you get a black ribbon and purple tissue paper. This matches the box, which is really cool. I'm going to open it up, give you a cheeky sneaky peek, and then we'll dive in. And there we go. I'm quite excited about this box. Alright, the first item I'm going to pull out is from Balance Me, and it's the BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. There's 30 ml here, so this will be like a liquid exfoliator. So I would make sure your face is cleansed, pop this on a reusable cotton pad or a cotton pad, and swipe all over the face. I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to pop this by for a giveaway just because I don't use exfoliating products on my face anymore. And we get that quite a lot, that product as well. And like I said, it's 30 ml, which is deluxe mini, and it's worth £10. I will put up on screen the value of this month's box. And it's the BHA Exfoliating Concentrate, and it says, further love the skin you're in with this BHA Exfoliating Concentrate, aiding you in removing dead skin cells, battling blemishes and improving hydration. It's rich in salicylic acid and is fast acting, fast absorbing, and will reveal healthy radiant layers of the skin. Which is, you know, it's a good product to have, but at the moment I'm just not using things like that. The next item I'm going to put out, well, this is a huge box. Ooh, this is from Daily Concepts, and it is a daily round silicone scrubber, and this is for the body. This is quite cool. This I would find in handy, and it's nice to have one that's for the body and not for the face. We get loads for the face. We got a handy ring on the back so you can pop your finger in. I like that, and it's not overly abrasive. I would lather it up with whatever I'm using in the shower or the bath, and then go all over the body. I'd go sort of like, you know, neck down, and yeah, and go all the way over. I think that'd be really cool. It's a nice gentle exfoliator. It'll help remove the dead skin, especially as we're coming into tanning season now. This will be a really good way to exfoliate, and it's quite soft, so you're not going to overly scrub, which is quite cool. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that one. I thought it might have been for the face when I saw like a cheeky little spoiler, but no, it's for the body. And it says here it's full size and it's a value of £16, which is quite cool. And it says it's a Daily Concepts body scrubber. We couldn't give you a gorgeous body scrub without giving you a super handy body scrubber to use it with. Pair this silicone tool with your Mind Tan body scrub. Sorry, we haven't got that far yet. To not only gently exfoliate the skin, but to also allow yourself to enjoy the feeling of a massage. Now that's cool. And that's kind of given us a little bit of a spoiler of the next product. I've got some of this in my drawer at the moment that I've been meaning to use. And this is from Mind Tan Body and Skin, and it's exfoliating scrub. And it says it's the coffee scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. There's 30 grams in here. Now I'm not going to open this up because it's like coffee grounds. It will just go absolutely everywhere. But I do like a coffee scrub on the body, especially like I said, we're coming into tanning season. If you're not started tanning already, so it's really good to kind of give your body that good exfoliation 24 hours before you pop your tan on. So yeah, I've got some new tanning drops that I'm going to try. So this is going to come in handy as sort of like an extra little sachet, because I've got another one that size. And it says this is a deluxe mini. It's 30 grams and it's worth £9.95. And it says exfoliate and revitalise your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Buff on freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target unwanted dry skin too. Enriched with ultra hydrating sweet almond and macadamia oils, your skin will be left feeling oh so buttery, soft, smooth and glowing. The full size of this is 200 grams. And it is worth £12.95. So value wise, it's worth picking up the full size. I quite like that, you know, I'm not mad at it. They've obviously put some thought in and paired them up, which is quite cool. The next item, oh, this looks interesting, is from Grace and Stella, and it says everything is better in pink, and it's the collagen boosting eye mask. And we've got sort of like a single use eye masks there. They're quite cool. We can always do with an eye mask. I've got some in the fridge that I'm using at the moment. I'm getting a bit naughty. I'm using them like every day just because I'm so puffy. So I need to invest in some reusable ones that I can just keep in the fridge, pop on my eye gel and then pop them on over the top. So if you've got any recommendations, let me know. It's my little way of trying to save the planet as well. So yeah, these are really cool. I'm going to pop these in the fridge. I like the packaging. I really like that, and you can see how much serum is in there because it's like rocking and rolling around. So yes, very pleased with that one. And Glossybox have said they're full size and they're valued at £3. So if they're good, you know, they're worth a good value for if you want to pick any more up. And it says everything is better in pink eye patches, focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes. These pretty pink eye patches draw in moisture to even the deepest layers of the skin. Powerful antioxidants help protect skin from blue light exposure. Now, that's a bit controversial, isn't it? Let me know, are you into this whole blue light thing? I just think there's not enough studies been done on it. While other key ingredients help maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. Bye dark circles. Now I do have dark circles, so I would really like to see how they work. Yeah, definitely. But I'm quite pleased. I know they're eye patches, but you know, it's been a while I think since we got some. And the last item in the box, yep, it's definitely last item. Oh, and this is from Sophia and Mabel, or Maybell. And this is We're Blushing Creamy Blush Stick, and this is in the shade Blossoming. Oh, I do love a blush. Look at that, that's so cute. And at the moment I'm really into cream blushes. I've bought quite a few cheeky naughty ones. Oh, we got a twisty up, and there we go. It feels like it's rocking around in there. Oh, I like that. That's my kind of shade. That's like a pinky rosy. Oh, I do like that. Yeah, most definitely. It's not flamingo pink, but it's oh, and it's got a glow to it as well. And it's got quite a sweet fragrance. That smells like cake. No, Amy, you can't eat it. But you probably could, if you didn't want to use it on your cheeks, you could probably use it on your lips as well. As most products kind of like that are kind of lip and cheek. And Glossybox have said this is full size, so that's cool. We've got 3 full size products in this box. That's how it should kind of be. Not like, look fantastic, the video is it's either up or it's coming. Oh my goodness, it was awful. And this values at £13. And they said add a beautiful pink tone to your cheeks, even on days when you're feeling stripped back makeup look. This cream stick blush is stunning shade, blossoming, and is perfect for all occasions. We love it so much, we're blushing. Oh, I like that. That's quite cool. The only problem I've got with it is that that shade is not inclusive. It's only going to suit a certain amount of skin tones. So it would have been nice, because on Glossybox we do fill out surveys and tell them what our skin tones are, hair colour, eye colour, things like that. It would have been good if they'd picked this up in a couple of shades. So you could have got a lighter, a medium, and then a deeper tone. So it would have suited everybody. Little rant over. But yeah, on the whole, I'm quite pleased with this box. Just have a quick run through. So we've got the Sophia and Mabel, or Mabel. So that sounded really common, didn't it? Mabel. Blush stick in Blossoming. And there we go. We have got the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye patches. Really looking forward to trying these. If you wanted to see them in a mask Monday, give me a shout and I'll do it. We have also got the Mind Tan Coffee Scrub and the Daily Concepts. I had to see who done it. Body Scrub. I like this. I really like this. I'm going to hop in the shower this evening, so I will give it a go. And then the last item is the Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. Not a fan, like I said, because I'm not kind of exfoliating my face, but I will pop this goodbye for a giveaway, so one of you lucky people will get it in the future. Talking of giveaways, mine is still running, and we are now 3 subscribers away from target, so come on guys. We can do it. I want to send this box out. And I got some tea. I got my piggy mug. Yeah. On the whole, that's quite a good box, I think. You've got a very varied of products. I like the way they are now thinking ahead, and they're pairing things up, which is quite cool. The box is just on point. I love the box this month. They've hit the nail on the head with it. And the stickers. I'm going to see these stickers everywhere. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this month's box, and if there was anything in particular that you were looking forward to trying, let me know. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.